Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do Virgo weekly reading for the month of December, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So Virgo, let's see your messages. First card, wow, Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Devil. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. So what I'm seeing here, for some you are concentrating on your career right now, and in relationship wise, someone, I think your person don't want to give up on you. They won't give up on you because there is some obsession. I think they're obsessed with you, Virgo, definitely. Seven of Wands. For some, you are now concentrating on your career and you are working towards your career. So let's see some more, then we will get more clarity. But I think there is some obsession. One person in this connection may be addicted to some bad habits. Let's see. For some, your person want to offer long-term commitment to you. Seven of Pentacles, King of Wands, Chariot. I think your person want to invest in this connection, but you stand by your power. And a Chariot, I think you started something new in your career, in your life, Virgo, definitely. You started something new in your life and you stand by your power. But your person is obsessed over you, definitely, because the Devil. If you are in separation, your person want you back. Yeah, Cancer with Devil. Chariot with Devil. You or your person could be Cancer also. Lot of earth energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I think for some you invested in this connection and waiting for the result. Definitely it's coming, long-term commitment. But there is some obsession and deception in this connection. So let's see some more, then we will get more clarity. Two cards I am not taking. Nine of Pentacles, Hermit, Nine of Cups. Yeah, I think yes, definitely you are working towards your career and goals, career and finances, definitely, Virgo, because Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles, and you also achieved that. Definitely if you are concentrating on your career growth, it will come to you, because Nine of Pentacles, you will achieve whatever you are wishing for, because Nine of Cups is here. And Hermit, I think your person may be undergoing some spiritual awakening. They are not talking to you. For some, there is no contact between both of you. Yeah, I think you invested in your career. Definitely you will get result. Yeah, you be like this, Virgo. And definitely what you are wishing for, definitely your wishes are going to be granted. So let's see some more. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Virgo. Four of Swords, definitely no contact. One person is not talking to other person. Page of Pentacles, Three of Wands, waiting game. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. Page of Pentacles and Four of Swords. I think one person right now not talking to the other person in this connection. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. But some communication is coming. Page of Pentacles. I think your person want to test the waters. Page of Pentacles. If you are in no contact situation, definitely they want to test the waters. And Three of Wands. And you are waiting for your person to come towards you. Waiting game is going between you and your person right now. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Definitely there is no contact or less contact between both of you guys. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. So Virgo, your person current feelings towards you. Six of Swords, Princess, Knight of Pentacles, the Fool. I think they want to fix the things between both of you, but they're in very slow moving energy. Knight of Pentacles, the Fool. Definitely they want a brand new beginnings with you, Virgo. So definitely some communication, air energy here. You will get some communication from your person, and they want to take leap of faith this time. Yeah, the Fool. So they want new beginning with you, and but they are in very slow moving energy. Knight of Pentacles, but it is stable offer. Yes, it is sincere offer. They are coming with sincere offer. So let's see their near future actions towards you, Virgo. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Their near future actions towards you. King of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. They are thinking about new beginnings with you. They are very sad for the separation. Five of Pentacles, and they are very, very passionate about you. King of Wands. I think 2 times King of Wands here. I think you both are very stubborn and very strong. Definitely your person right now stuck. I think the one person who undergoing spiritual awakening is your person. Right now they are stuck. They are unable to make any move, but they are thinking about new beginning with you, Virgo. Yeah. Right now your person may be not talking to you due to they are stuck. Yeah, due to they are stuck, they are unable to make any move towards you right now. They're feeling stuck, and definitely, but they are thinking about new beginnings with you. They are very, very passionate about you. Yeah, there is a lot of passion between both of you, Virgo. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed. Mutual energies. Four of Cups, Princess of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Judgment. I think one person in this connection is going to make some major decisions. I think your person coming back to offer equal give and take. In past, there is no equal give and take in this connection, some communication. I think Four of Cups. One person right now not accepting the cup of love which is offered by another person. It could be you or your person. They are not, this person is not responding to the other person right now, because it could be your person also, Virgo, because right now they are stuck. For some it could be you also, because there is no equal give and take. You don't want to give another chance to your person. That's why you are like this. If they message you, you are not responding because due to some past behaviors, due to some past issues between both of you. But for some Judgment and Six of Pentacles and Princess of Pentacles, some communication. Definitely your person wants to offer equal give and take. For some there will be reconciliation between both of you, but it will take time because right now your person stuck and they are in very slow moving energy. But some major decisions. Yeah, Judgment is here. So a lot of earth energies here. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Four of Cups, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So literally what is the message here? Your person stuck, but they are thinking about new beginnings with you. Yeah, they are thinking about you a lot. Four of Swords energy. Yeah. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Virgo. Knight of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, and King of Cups. For some, your person definitely want to offer their love to you. Things are turning in your favor. Definitely long-term commitment with stability. And Knight of Wands. Your person is very, very passionate about you. Yeah, I already told you. They are very, very passionate about you. Lot of passion is there between both of you. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. They're coming back. But in divine timing. Let's see your person overall energy. 9 of Pentacles, Magician, King of Cups and Tower. Definitely they are undergoing some Tower moment due to the separation, and for some no contact also. King of Cups, they have strong emotions for you, Virgo. And Magician, yeah, they are trying to manifesting you back. 9 of Pentacles, yes. They also want to achieve this financial stability before coming towards you, and I think your person already abundant. They are very financially very stable for some. Definitely they are trying to manifesting you back because they have strong emotions for you, Virgo. Yeah, this separation causes them so much pain. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.